Hello friends, today I just want to show you how we can use a Google Translate. So a Google Translate is just a free online languages translation tools created by the Google, and it helps us in translating text, documents, images and webs. So if you want to use a Google Translate, you need to have some access to internet by having data or Wi-Fi. Then you will be able to use your Google Translate. So now how can we get a Google Translate? Just go to your left bottom of your computer to get the startup menu. So click on the startup menu, then write Google. So if you can see, we have Google Chrome, and tap on it to open. As we wait, so now this is our Google, and we want a Google Translate. Go to the square icon which is located at the top right corner of the computer. Tap on it, then we are going to select Google Translate. So now as you can see, in the Google Translate you will be able to choose any language that you want to translate. Like here, for example, we have English, Spanish, French, and if you want to add some language, then you come here. These are the languages that you can be able to use it, or you want to translate them. So in Google Translate you can be able to translate text, images, document and website, as I told you. And so, like for our case here, I want to translate what or how are you. So as you can see, this one I've written it in English, and it has been translated to Luganda. And if you want to translate it to Arab, you can put Arab, and you can see it has been translated to Arab. And if you want it to be in Acholi, then you press and you will see the changes. So if you want it to read for you, or to have a play for you, you can click on this one to listen, then you'll be able to listen. And if you want it to save, you want to save that word or translate, you come here, then tap to copy. Or this one, if you want to charge with the Google, you will be able to get it. And if you want to share the translation, then tap on this one, you will be able to share all your translation. So it's the same way with images. For images, you come and tap on it, then you will go to the browse to choose your files, or to choose your language to your image that you want to translate, and drag and drop it here. So it's the same with document. You come to document here, you select the document you want to translate, drag and drop it here, then it will be able to translate it for you. And the same way, you can come to the web here, you tap on it, then you can write your website, then you send. So basically this is how we can use a Google Translate. And if you want to save the Google Translate, now this one is when you want to copy the Google translation, and this one is when you want to save it. You can save it like this, or you come and save from here. If you want, you can come and save from here. So after a while, and you want to see the history or your work you have been doing, come to the history here. You'll be seeing all your things you have been doing, like how are you. You can see it has been translated clearly. You can see it here, I want it, what, and others. So friends, this is how we use Google Translate. And don't forget, to follow me for more videos. If you find this video so interesting, follow me for more, subscribe, like, give comments and share these videos. So this is how we can do it. Don't forget to follow me. This is a very YouTube channel. I'm going to be teaching you. Thank you for being with me.